In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an under maintenance page on your Wix website, step by step. This is a handy feature that allows you to let visitors know that your site is temporarily unavailable while you work on improvements. So, without further ado, let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're logged into your Wix account, navigate over to the Wix editor. This is your main hub for customizing and updating your website, so get comfortable with finding it. Next, you'll see an option labeled Pages and Menu on the left side of your editor. Click on it. This is where you'll manage all your website's pages. If you're not already familiar with this section, it's a powerful tool that allows you to add, remove, and organize pages on your site. Now, within the Pages and Menu section, look for the option to Add Menu Item. Clicking this will give you the freedom to introduce new features and sections to your site, such as the maintenance page we're creating today. Once you've clicked Add Menu Item, you'll see an option for a new page. Click on New Page and prepare to set the foundation for your maintenance page. This is an essential step where you'll actually create the space for your future under maintenance note. Then you'll select Landing Page. A landing page is a standalone page designed for a specific purpose or message, like notifying visitors that some construction is going on in the background. Now, Wix offers templates for maintenance pages. This makes your job a lot easier because it provides you with a professional layout without having to build it yourself from scratch. Choose a maintenance page template that you like by browsing through the options. Once you've selected your template, click on Add Page. This will effectively add your chosen template as a new page to your website. You'll then need to type Maintenance Page as the title of this new page. It's important to name your page accurately so anyone managing the site knows its purpose at a glance. After entering the title, click on it to highlight it and make any additional edits. This step ensures that your maintenance page is not only functional, but also uniquely yours by allowing personalization. Once everything looks good, click once more to highlight specific elements if needed, and if you're happy with how everything appears, finalize your page setup by clicking Done. Your new Under Maintenance page is now part of your Wix site. Make sure to review it and test it to ensure everything works as intended. And there you have it, a professional and clear notification for your visitors whenever your site needs a bit of TLC. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!